In this video, I will show you how to actually build scalable and usable AI UGC ads. And instead of using a platform that asks you for $100 just to sign up, we're going to use this tool that allows you to get started for entirely free and where the creation only costs a fraction of what those traditional AI UGC ad generators cost. And the tool we're going to use is called Weavy AI. And if you just want to clone my workflow, check the link in the description because there you will find a direct access to this page where you can just start creating. But now the goal of this tutorial is for me to show you how to build one of these workflows and why this kind of a workflow builder is much better than a traditional UGC style ad generator. Just in case you're new to Weavy AI or any other similar AI workflow builder, this is essentially just a blank canvas where you can drag and drop different nodes, and each node has an AI superpower. So just an example, here in this AI UGC ad generator workflow, I have used ChatGPT, Google's image generator model, Runway image generator model, and then Grok video model, Kling video model, and Google VEO 3.1 video model. And from that, you can already probably see where this is going. Instead of me having to jump between 7 different windows and subscriptions, I can literally do all here in one go. And I also get to see the creative thinking process here by just looking at what happens in these nodes, or even better, by just looking at the names of these nodes. And that allows you to build much more scalable, much more manageable, and overall easier to use small AI apps to produce content at scale. So no longer do you need to just send chats and hope for consistency or pray for consistency. What you can do is build these robust systems instead. And one thing that is really cool in Weavy AI is that you actually get started for free. So traditionally, most video generators and especially UGC ad generators will let you only get started if you pay, let's say, $50 or $100. But here you can actually see that you can create 25 seconds of video for free. I know that is not a lot, but at least you get to try what this is like. So for example, if you want to access this workflow and try it out yourself, move things around a bit, tweak the prompts and everything, you can do so for free with my link in the description. So just clone my workflow and do whatever you want with it. But now before I jump into how this workflow works, I will quickly show you how this whole platform works, just to give you an idea. And I have also made a separate video where I teach you the ins and outs of Weavy AI as a complete beginner. So if you want to check that one out, check the link in the description. But now let me give you a very quick breakdown. First and foremost, if you want to get started, just use my link in the description to sign up. Then you are going to see this workspace, so just click on Create New File. Then it will open up this kind of a new canvas. So you can either right-click to add these elements or search for here on the left-hand side. And just an example, let's drag and drop a prompt node into this view, and let's type in something like create an image of a cat. And now as you can see, because this is a node-based workflow builder, there is no send button. So what you need to do instead is you need to connect your prompt into an image generator. So just an example, let's pick this image gen 3 fast AI image generator node from the list as well. And let's drop it next to our prompt. And now we can just drag this prompt into the prompt port of this image generator, and we can hit run model, and it shouldn't take for long before we see our image of a cat. And there we go. It basically just took about 15 seconds. And now that you have your result, you can continue working on the result or working with the result by connecting it to another node. So for example, if you want to turn this into a video, you can connect it into the Grok Imagine video generator. And then you just need to also connect it with a prompt. So basically, Weavy AI allows you to build these scalable and manageable workflows. So instead of having to pray for consistency, you just build it once and then you can run it on multiple inputs. So just an example, we could say create an image of a dog or create an image of a bird, and then we could just run this entire workflow from scratch and it would do whatever we have set it to do after this node. And now let's jump into the AI UGC ad workflow. So right here, as the very first step, I am creating the influencer generator prompt. So here I'm basically just describing the influencer I want to create. So it is going to be a 23-year-old normal looking Gen Z woman influencer in her apartment bathroom, natural window lighting. So I don't want this to look like a studio photo shoot or a supermodel, and I just want to make it authentic and realistic. So this looks like a traditional influencer probably would. Then I have connected this prompt node into the Google image generator, and I have hit run model. to create this photo. So this is essentially the same you can do on ChatGPT, or for example, if you're using these Google AI image generators, but here I have done it with 2 nodes. And then now that I have my influencer, it is time to create the starting frame for my UGC ad video. So I basically just want to have this influencer hold my product in her hand. And the way I have done it here is I have dragged and dropped a product photo here. So this is an actual product that is sold online. So I have dragged it over there. And then with the product in place, I have then created this kind of a prompt generator. So this is essentially just a text node where I'm telling the AI to create an image generator prompt with which I can make the influencer hold the product in their hands, and then check the 2 images to make sure to place the influencer in a logical place. And here I've also told that I want the UGC ad, keep the prompt short and concise, and then I have connected this description node that I just showed you over here into any LLM. And this might sound a bit confusing, but basically you can treat this as ChatGPT, for example. So this any LLM is just going to send this message to ChatGPT, and then it will spit out a prompt. For example, here, a vlog style selfie of the same woman standing in a bright modern bathroom holding the green Hey Bud Next Serum tube. As you can see, it did exactly what I wanted. So I wanted to have an image generator prompt, and now I have exactly that. And then what I have done is I have connected this product photo into this image generator node. Then I have also connected this prompt with which I want to create this influencer holding this product into the same generator. And then of course also I have connected this node over here where I have the influencer image into this image generator node. So now it knows exactly what the influencer looks like, what the product looks like, and then also what it's supposed to do with those 2 pieces of information. And as the result, we get an image like this where the influencer looks exactly like the one we created earlier, but now she's holding our product. Then what I have done next is I have turned this into a video where the person is talking about this product. And in a very similar fashion to what I did earlier, I have created this description to AI to create an AI video generator prompt for me with which I can turn this influencer into a video. So I've told the AI to create a UGC ad script about 7 to 10 seconds in length, and I have even entered the website URL of this product into this view so it will check what the product is all about. And then I have told it to check the website, format in a way that I can send this directly to my video generator, and then I have given it some more instructions. So basically I just want the output of this to say create a UGC style video where the influencer says, and then yada yada yada. And now that I have connected this prompt into ChatGPT or this any LLM again, I'm getting this kind of a video script back. And now with that, I'm going to create a bunch of video generator nodes, so I can just pick one of these from here. So if I search for video, you're going to see all these different video generator models over here. So I have dragged and dropped a couple of good ones into the mix. And then I have connected my script to the video generator with the image of this influencer holding the product. So this is very simple. As you can see, it's taking the prompt, which is the script, and then the image, which is the image of my influencer with the product. And I've just done this 4 times. I could have done just once, or I could have done this 100 times. And now if I just select this entire workflow, for example, like this, and hit Command Shift Enter, it is going to run this whole thing once. But since I just did it, I'm not going to do it again. Instead, I'm going to show you what the results look like.
Okay, I've been using Hey Bud's Ageless Wonder for a few weeks now, and honestly, my skin feels tighter, smoother, and way more hydrated. It's like my glow came back. Highly recommend if you want your skin to look refreshed and firm again.
Okay, I've been using Hey Bud's Ageless Wonder for a few weeks now, and honestly, my skin feels tighter, smoother, and way more hydrated.
I've been using Hey Bud's Ageless Wonder for a few weeks now, and honestly,
I mean, isn't that amazing? And now what's really cool about this one is that now you have a repeatable workflow. So this is essentially like your own AI UGC ad generator app. So for example, if you want to create a different looking influencer, just hit run over here and then make sure to run this whole thing after hitting run over here. Or if you want to change the product, just drag and drop new product over here, and don't forget to change the URL of the product information page over there, and then just once again run this whole thing in one go. And that is the power in a tool like Weavy AI. So instead of praying for consistency and hoping for good results, you're going to build this solid and robust workflow that is very easy to tweak, to rerun, even to collaborate on. And everything is just so much easier. Instead of having to juggle between 10 different windows and 5 different chats, everything takes place over here in one simple workflow. And now if you're not using a tool like Weavy AI before, make sure to start using one right now, because these AI workflow builders are the new way to create content. These produce much more accurate and much better results, and the best creators are already using tools like this to create scalable content and to manage their workflows. So make sure to get started with my link in the description, and if you want to access this workflow, you will find it there as well. But now, thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.